2017 Ford F-150 Raptor may be the hottest dune runner around. Slated to churn out at least 450 HP from its 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 engine, that figure makes it more potent than the 2014 model year Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. By comparison, the 2011 to 2014 model year Raptor makes do with a 6.2-liter V8 with 411 HP and 434 lb-ft, 588 Nm, at its disposal. By modern road-going Baja truck standards, that's not quite enough. Thankfully, Shelby American developed a rather neat package for the former SVT Raptor. Dubbed Shelby Baja 700, what the American tuner offers us is probably the closest thing to a racing truck. Thanks to the aid of a 2.9-liter Whipple supercharging system, bigger injectors and throttle bodies, along with a Borla exhaust system, this bad boy packs a punch. According to Shelby, we're dealing with over 700 horsepower and an unspecified amount of grunt. Carroll Shelby had a love for trucks and brought his high-performance, Texas style to the drawing board when he envisioned the Shelby Raptor. This special edition Shelby Baja 700 builds on that vision, as it was created to conquer any terrain, declared Joe Conway, CEO of Shelby American. Power alone isn't sufficient if you're planning on driving the Baja 700 through the desert. For this reason, Shelby American also employs Rogue Racing upper and lower control arms, a competition-designed suspension system and a set of 235/12.5/18-inch boldface Goodrich K02 off-road tires. Nevermind the Go Faster stripes, Shelby insignia and the catskin custom interior upholstery. Those Roush Racing front and rear bumpers are some optional extras worth going for, along with the plethora of LED lights up front. So, do you want one? Excluding the donor vehicle, the Baja 700 package starts from a whopping $45,000, so it doesn't come cheap at all. Only 50 examples will ever be made, so you'd better be quick about it.